Hi everyone. Hello all you beautiful lovely people. Hello all you beautiful lovely people. Guten Tag. How's it going everyone? As you can see, I am in full, can y'all see that flaking off? I am in full chemical facial peel at the moment, which is fine. It's doing what it should be. So I still didn't want to put, you can see some deep freeze by Jeffree Star. I had my son's friend was over today and I was showing her Jeffree Star and I was like, cool, check out this, because she likes to go to cosplay and I thought the deep freeze would be really pretty for some of her characters that she does. So that's actually up here on my cheeks, but just ignore it and ignore the rest of it. Okay, the reason I'm here, first off, I'm gonna tell you to click like, which is the little thumbs up sign, subscribe to my channel, and tell me what type of animals you love in the comments below. You can tell me anything else you want in the comments below too. I mean, you can tell me how terrible I am, because, you know I am, but hey, that's alright, because I'm me, and I'm always me in all the videos. I don't try to be somebody I'm not. I know I'm a well-aged, overweight, mature-skinned, older person. And, you know, it's taken me a long time to get to this point in my life that I realize that I am getting, I mean, I don't physically feel older, but I know I am, so don't have to have anybody tell me that, because I already know. Okay, but I'm excited to tell y'all, I have the 1K giveaway still going on. As soon as I hit the 1K, I will do the drawing, which there are other previous videos, the original 1K update or video, and then several updates as to where I'm at in the progression of subscribers, and also where the items are, because the items started out like this bit, you know, this amount, and then this amount, and this amount. Now there's over 90 something items in the giveaway. But I'm here to bring to y'all a giveaway. I was shooting for March 31st, but I think we're going to make this towards the end of April, which this will be my Easter giveaway. So you have from now, when the video is posted, which more likely be tomorrow, not today. But you don't even know what today is though, do you? It's March 18th. Oh, wait. No, it's not March 18th. I think today is St. Patty's Day. No, it's the 18th. Yeah. Today is not Sunday. I knew Sunday was the 17th. I did wear green because I'm not wearing green today. Unless my panties are green, but I don't think they are. Anyway, Easter giveaway. So I'm going to show y'all some of the items, because this is not nearly as big as the 1K. So if you really want all that 1K goodie stuff, then, you know, you just have to join. Okay, I'm also going to have to show y'all my new configuration. The same cameras on the same spot, everything else. But I got in my palette holder today. So I've been assembling that and organizing all my palettes. I got these other cute little trays. So I already had one that has, I'm trying to keep nothing but like lip products in it, and then the other one is like eyebrows, mascara, all that kind of stuff. So let's get on with it. Okay, here is an Ulta lip crayon. It is in the color Festival. It took me a moment to find it. Festival. Okay, then we have L'Oreal. These are loose pigments. This is a lip pigment. Let's see if we can see it better out of the container. The little box, I mean. This color is called Red Tape. So it is a powder to cream finish. I've not tried them, but you know how I like my loose pigments, so But we'll continue with the loose pigments. Then with that, this one here is called Do Not Enter. It's pretty much black is the color in there. And this is an eye pigment. And it was funny, I didn't know there was a difference between them at first until I was reading, and it said not for eyes. And I'm like, or this one actually says not for lips, but I'm like, why would it not be for lips? And then I realized the other one said not for eyes, and I'm like, wait a minute. So there's eye pigments and lip pigments in here. However, I've always, so don't you young people be thinking that it's something new with y'all putting eyeshadow on your lips or in other places on your body, because I've been doing that since probably way before y'all were even born. So just to get that out there, I will have to find some pictures of me back in the day and put up. I was a punk rock, yeah, you know, anyway. Okay, Perlice. This is the Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. This, I believe, is a $45 value. Oh, I was doing the loose pigments, wasn't I? And I totally forgot. Here's another one for the eyes, and this is in the color Lover's Tree. And I wish I could, let me go ahead and pull it out again if I can get the box open. I always tear up y'all's boxes, and I don't mean to. This box is completely sealed. I'm not gonna try to open it. This is a very rich, like chocolatey brown. It doesn't really look like it on my screen, but it's really pretty. Chocolatey brown. Okay, now I did the Blue Lotus, the Perlice Blue Lotus. Okay. I said I was going to, because they're not quite my color, but then they are my color sort of, and I want to keep it. But I am not the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions. This has 6 colors in it. Let's see, I will push it out so we can see the color. I'm sure y'all have already seen it because this was, let me cover up. Okay, now it looks like somebody put a finger in this one color over here, but this is the first time this has came out of that package. I mean, look at that. That matches my fingernails almost, doesn't it? Okay. Which my son told me my fingernails were hideous, which I didn't finish them. I was filming the video because somebody had asked me in one of the comments, and as you can tell, they are so jacked up because I did them myself and I didn't take the time. I was going to go back. I wasn't real precise around the cuticles because I was going to go back with crystals, and I ran out of time. I didn't get to it. But I will later this week, and I will finish the video. Okay, again, this is one of my favorite companies from France. This is called Spongeac. This here is a natural sea sponge for your face. Spongeac makes palettes. They have 3 or 4 is all they have. Caftan is their newest one. Oh, man. I have a video, I think one of my earlier ones, that's done with the caftan. It is absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, this here is a Ulta Beauty holographic lip topper. I can see that shimmery sparkle. Okay, then here we have a Milani Stay Put Brow Sculpting Pencil. I picked that up in Hot Springs when I was there last weekend. Here is a Tony Moly The Black Tea London Classic Serum. Contains 100% pure black tea extract. It's an anti-aging serum. Man, I'm sure it's all over the United States. We are just battling like allergies, and my husband went to the doctor today. He gave him antibiotics and steroids, and I'm like, stay away from me. I don't want it. My son already had, they thought, the flu, but it was too late for antivirals, so they had to just give him Theraflu and Tylenol and Advil and all that good stuff for a week or 2. But I take chemotherapy injections once a week, not IV. I don't take IV chemo. I used to take a pill chemotherapy, and then I moved to the injections, and I give them to my own self, which I skipped last night, so I have to do it tonight. I'm terrible. It was supposed to be on Sunday. It and another one, and then I take Humira, and they both the chemo and the Humira lower your immune system, so therefore I don't want it. Okay, quit talking. I'll edit that out. And you're gonna go, what is she editing? Because we don't know. Okay, this is pure, fully charged. This is the mascara powered by magnetic technology. I've not tried that, so I don't know exactly what that means. I know there's one or two in the other giveaway. Here is a Clinique high impact mascara. Here is an LA, because somebody asked me too about my setting powder one day, because always in my videos I'm crazy because I come on and you can see the powder all over generally. What I've been using mainly is the LA Girl Pro Powder High Def or HD High Def Setting Powder. So that is going to be included. It's not opened. I can get the sponge. Comes with a little sponge. It's not open, so it's new. Everything you're seeing is new. Never been used. Okay, here is a Clinique Full Potential Lips. This is in the number 3 Glamour Full. And I'm going to assume that is a sample size because that looks kind of small. Here is another Clinique Tender Heart. That is really pretty. That is a nude brownish color. Let's see. Then we have Ulta Beauty Liquid Strobe, which is a highlighter. Then we have another Clinique. Okay, this is a Latte London AM to PM eyeliner. Then I have this is like gold glitter eye. I don't know if it's a shadow. I'm not 100% sure. I just know it was gold glitter for your eyes. Then I love these two little, there's mirrors on them. There's 2 of them. They're by Clinique. They're 2 different colors. This is Come Hither and this is Totally Natural. It slides open. Do that. So this is sort of, or is, the plums. And then this one is taupey brown, sort of. One more item for the giveaway, and this again is for the Easter giveaway. It was going to be at the end of March, but I didn't feel like it was quite enough time, so I decided to make this my Easter giveaway. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw this already. And I still got this for myself because this is me, totally me. But a lot of people liked it, so I decided to put this in the giveaway. This is the Makeup with an Attitude, the Badass Rude Girl by Rude Cosmetics. It's book number 6. There's 35 shades. And let me open it. I was going to swatch it, but since I decided to give it away, obviously I did not swatch. But it opens like a book. It even has an index for the chapters. Chapter 1 is Life as Rich Bitch. 2, Transformation into Rude Girl. 3, Starting to Kick Ass. 4, Almost Fatal Downfall. And then 5, Shut the Front Door Now. So I really, really, really like I don't know if that's attached. No, there. Well, it sort of was. I just sort of pulled it off. Look at those colors. Oh my God, the turquoise and this pink right here. Okay. So that is it. So if you want to win this eyeshadow book by Rude Cosmetics, the Coral Obsessions by Huda Beauty, the pigments and all that, like this video, which to like, you click the little thumbs up. Okay, in the comments below, let me know what your favorite cosmetic product is. Not skincare products so much as makeup. Like, do you like eyeshadows the best? Are you obsessed with lips? Foundation? Which, if y'all followed me at all or watch any of my stuff, you know that I've got like 50 million foundations because I'm trying to find out what works best on a mature, more mature skin anyway. I guess I'm not as mature skinned as my mom, but you know, let's face it, I'm not that young, but not that old either, but I'm not young. So yeah, just put that below and you will have a chance to win that. And if you want to be entered into my 1K giveaway, which is still open, the link will be below. There's also several other follow-up or updated videos, I guess I should say, that because in the very first 1K video, I only had this much product. Okay, and then it went to this much product and this much. And then I think I was at 80 something product. And then the newest update, I'm over 90 items in the giveaway. Look like I'm doing the dance or something, I don't know. Anyway, all right, love you people, love you beautiful, lovely people out there. I love you. I love everyone. I love the whole wide world. I wished everyone could just love everyone all the time. So I wish there was no negative in the world. I wished it was all puppies and rainbows and kittens, and babies. And I know that's not always the case. And I've had people get mad at me because they think that I always see the world through rose-colored glasses, and that I don't see, because I try to tell people I don't, which I truly don't. I don't want to get into it, but I just don't see a difference in people, if that makes sense. To me, everyone is the same. I mean, yes, I am an individual. I want to be individual. I do not want to look like anybody else. I don't want to act like anybody else. I want to be me. Everybody deserves that. Everybody deserves to be themselves and to be who they are. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter your color of your skin. It doesn't matter the color of your eyes. It doesn't matter your height, your weight. It does not matter to me. Everyone is unique and beautiful, but we are the same. There's no difference to me. That is what matters, is in here and up here. If you love here and the love from here is to here and in your eyes, then it doesn't matter. And I wish the whole world could be like that. So with that, again, I love everyone. If you want to enter the Easter giveaway, do that to my videos. Subscribe. You have to be subscribed foremost. I mean, liking, yeah, I know I'm not everybody's cup of tea. That's okay. But yeah, you have to be subscribed in order to win. And you get extra entries for being subscribed on Instagram as well. There's also a Facebook and everything else, but I'm not asking y'all to do all that. I have a Twitter, but I don't remember what that is. But I think the links are below. But anyway, all right, I'll let y'all go.